to the yo bitch.
Good job.
Crystal, your fucking dog.
Shut the fuck up, you Filipino, that's your dog.
Okay guys, Crystal's gonna do the tour for us.
Oh, what's up? 안녕하세요 to the yo bitch. So right now we are walking down the street of the fuck's the street name?
So we stopped by the local market outside our place. Oh my god. What is this?
Pussy.
It's kind of like, I hate you.
Pocket pussies.
It's kind of like gyozas, but like probably just steamed, not fried.
Is this like shrimp and this is like
Probably like
beef?
pork or meat,
Yeah.
pork meat. And this is kind of, I think like kind of like omelet, and then like kimchi tofu, and then I don't know what this is. She said it was chocolate.
It's not fucking chocolate. She lied. She
I
scammed
feel
us.
like it's not chocolate. And then yeah, some bakeries. How's that, Crystal?
Wait, you want a porn show?
Yo, Crystal, what the fuck? We're matching.
Charlie's Angels, bitch.
Change your outfit now.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Alright, Dan, where are we at? myeong-dong. Alright, look at this.
계속해서 우리의 중심으로 하나님께서 우리에 대한
Kind of.
So myeong-dong is well known for their street foods and just shops overall.
Okay.
So first we're trying the takoyaki. Spicy.
Spicy takoyaki, Korean takoyaki. Eat it, Dan, eat it. For all the poppies out there. How do you say it's delicious? Majuseyo.
So guys, Crystal can't handle the heat. It was not even that spicy, Crystal. Come on.
Bitch, I'm crying. I need some fucking help. I'm falling and I can't get up.
I hate you. So we just got some egg bread. How do you say this? Girambang. So that right there is tteokbokki. It's like spicy fish cakes. And then this one is kimbap. Stop by this coffee shop to get some green tea frappuccino. And what did you get, Crystal?
This is the iced cappuccino.
집에 가고 두 명은
These are so cute. We're about to go outside and meet the owner. Huh? What?
You really have to record that shit? We're just going to the marketplace, y'all. I don't know why he fucking talking.
Shut the fuck up, I hate you. Chris, sorry the fuck up.
Hey, he was friendly though.
You trying to suck his dick? Why are you interested in the owner, Crystal? Ew, you're so gross.
If it means money back, yes.
Oh my god, I hate you. You're so virgin though.
He was like, why are you?
Guys, I don't even think there's a fucking market tonight. No wonder he was like, what fucking market are you going to? We're so dumb. Just kidding. They're actually open.
Oh, you kill me.
아니 제대로 들어.
Crystal, I see you. Yep, totally better than 7-Eleven.
On the wall.
So we just went, seriously.
Oh, it's Dam's fucking date.
What?
He's got daddy issues, so look at the message.
I hate you, stop. So we just went to the, what is it? Convenience store and got like one of these like packaged foods, or not one, but like some of these packaged foods or whatever. So we got pork belly and then some, what is this? Fucking rice.
A bento.
Yeah, and a bento that has like fucking beef and other like side
This
dishes.
is sapje. The noodles.
Glass noodles. And then these, like, what is that called?
What? Right here? It's like cucumber and like
This.
pickle. Oh, onigiri.
Yeah. So we went to Myeong-dong today and we bought some stuffs. Crystal, where is your package or your...
My ditch package that I don't got. Look at my...
Hurry up, who are you trying to look pretty for? No one, because you got like -8 boobs anyway. Just kidding.
안녕하세요. 크리스토입니다. Today, Dad and I went to Myeong-dong and we did some damage to our wallets. Okay, so...
What did you get?
Okay, so we went to the stationery place. I got like this bland notebook because I like bland stuff. Like I like my men's. So.
Just like your life, yes, you know.
And then I just got a makeup sponge just because mine's is like...
A beauty blender?
Yeah. How do you know? Just like this cheap pen, but like I like the size of the tip.
Of the what?
I didn't mean it like that.
Guys,
I fucking
she
didn't.
meant it like that. I mean, why would she be laughing?
I've been on Twitter too long.
The tip, my ass. Go. Next.
Okay, next we went to...
Okay, we both went to this fucking like, what is it? Cosmetic store, and I'm pretty sure they were just like kind of like wanting us to buy shit from there.
So this is a disclaimer. I love Korea, but like some of the workers, when you go into these stores, like
They fucking force you.
They force you to buy their shit. Like they're persistent as fuck. So this lady literally, so I was picking out stuff and this lady grabbed it from me.
No, honestly, they follow you around.
Yeah, they followed me
like,
around.
They're not gonna like take their eyes out of you.
That's why. And then so then they just grabbed my stuff and like left it like close to the cashier so they know that I would buy it.
So you're like kind of forced to buy it.
Yeah, and I was gonna buy it anyway, so fuck you guys. Okay. But yeah, so I got this foaming cleanser for your pores and
Deep
stuff.
foam cleanser. She didn't want the cream, she wanted the foam.
Okay, the foam is good, and plus I have ugly skin anyways, but here's the brush right here. So
Okay, the
bad.
tip, and then...
And then I got BB cream, and they said it's supposed to like... I have fucking dark skin, right? So when I put it on me, I look like a fucking ghost. But they're like, oh no, it will blend in, it will blend in. I'm like...
I laughed, that doesn't even work, Chris.
If it doesn't fucking work, I'm gonna go back to that store. and have a fight. I'm gonna need to talk to that lady. Okay, but hey, at least it came with free shit like this. But it's so small.
Oh, she also got like free samples.
So it's like
and
toner, moisturizer, and then whatever these are. So yeah, all this stuff. And then lastly, I got like, it was a good price for these two.
This was like a deal.
So it's about like $6.50 total in US dollars for both of these. That's a pretty good freaking deal.
What is it?
Okay, let me. How do makeup gurus do this?
You go behind the object. Yes. Sorry guys, she's a starter. Like, I don't know why she's trying to cover it. Like, what the fuck?
I don't wear makeup that much.
Anyways, this is just like fucking like moisturizing wipes.
Yeah, but I mean, they're pretty nice.
I mean, you can wipe it with your ass. But it's mostly, nah, I'm just kidding. It's mostly for your face.
Okay.
Like, if you have a skin type like Crystal, then yeah, definitely for you.
Fuck you. But
Just
yeah,
kidding.
that's all I got for today. And then, okay, wait, the total for all this stuff was like $37, which was pretty reasonable. I think it's reasonable.
Yes.
And then this shit was just like,
We honestly like we spent most of our money like on food.
oh, basically. But we have to. Though.
Yeah.
It's not like.
It was really good though.
I mean, street food. Okay, wait. Street food's really not that cheap now that you think about it. Or it's.
I think it depends on what you get.
Yeah.
And like you shouldn't like. I mean like, myeong-dong has like a.
Okay.
Like a line of like street foods.
Right.
I feel like you should not like if you see an item at the first like fucking booth or whatever. I feel like you shouldn't buy it because. Like, you never know if there's gonna be, like, a cheaper one.
So basically, in myeong-dong, it's just very infamous for their street foods and stuff. But, like...
And shopping.
And, yeah, and shopping, too. But, like, there's, like, all these, like, little food venues. Yeah. Like, that's, like, all that kind of covers the whole fucking city. So, basically, like, what is that bread?
Girenbang.
Girenbang. So, there's, like, tons of these Girenbang vendors, during the pathway.
Like throughout myeong-dong.
Basically, and so some prices were like 50 cents higher than other.
500.
Yeah. So
501.
501's like much more like higher than other vendors.
Yeah.
So it just depends on where
I feel like you should just like wait until like later on or something.
Okay, and be careful because myeong-dong has a lot of wackos.
Yeah, Crystal got hit on because I don't know. I guess.
Okay, but the lady warned us in the train, like, you gotta be careful.
Okay, anyways, stop talking about Crystal's life.
Dad's turn.
Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
I hate you so much.
Okay, Dan.
Your shit.
Fuck you.
Just kidding.
Okay. Show us here. I gotta go here. What did you get, Dan?
So I got this. What is this? Is it teal? It's not. It is.
It's teal.
It's like mint green, I guess.
Yeah.
Or teal. Mouse pad. And then I also bought like a matching pocket desk mat. It's like for my laptop or whatever.
Gross.
And then I got like a pen set. It's cute. And then also stickers for my planner. More pen set. And then post-it notes. It's so cute. And then this.
Y'all know that if a man buys all this shit, he gay.
Yes, bitch. I'm not hidden like other people. Cough, cough.
You gotta love this bitch, guys. He's gonna be famous one day. Yes, Dan, yes.
I hate you. Oh my god, did you just feel the earthquake? We're done. So this is what I got.
This is what I got.